A landing page is a standalone web page created specifically for marketing or advertising campaigns. Its primary goal is to convert visitors into leads or customers. Key elements include a compelling headline, engaging visuals, and a clear call to action. Effective design focuses on simplicity, relevance, and user experience to maximize conversion rates. Landing pages are distinct from regular web pages due to their singular focus on conversion. They are designed to guide visitors toward a specific action, minimizing distractions and maintaining message consistency with ads. This strategic design is crucial for digital marketing success, as it transforms visitors into leads or customers efficiently. Landing pages are designed for a single conversion goal. Unlike traditional web pages with multiple navigation options and diverse content, they minimize distractions, maintain message consistency with ads, and guide visitors toward a specific action. This strategic focus makes landing pages powerful tools for conversion optimization, turning visitors into leads or customers efficiently. Landing pages are pivotal in digital marketing, offering higher conversion rates by focusing on a single purpose. They enhance ad performance through strong message match, improving quality score and reducing costs. With measurable results, they allow precise tracking and optimization, marking a shift from broad broadcast messaging to targeted, measurable interactions. Above the fold is crucial in digital marketing, capturing attention within 3 seconds. Originating from newspaper publishing, it refers to visible content before scrolling. This space must answer, "Where am I? What can I do here? Why should I care?" With 57% of viewing time spent here, it's your most valuable screen space. Crafting a hero headline requires specificity and clarity. Create professional invoices in 30 seconds is more effective than invoicing made beautiful. Highlight benefits over features. Transform cloud-based customer relationship management software into close 35% more deals with automated follow-ups. Use numbers for credibility, like save 10 hours per week. Ensure message consistency to reduce bounce rates. Weak headlines like "Welcome to our platform" lack specificity and value, making them forgettable. In contrast, strong headlines such as "Generate 10x more qualified leads in 30 days" promise clear, measurable outcomes. They directly address visitor needs, ensuring engagement and relevance. Effective headlines are precise, outcome-focused, and resonate with the audience's goals. The subheadline supports your headline's promise by providing believable details. Expand on the headline, like explaining AI tools for efficiency. Address objections with phrases like "no credit card required." Define your audience to help visitors self-qualify, such as "built for business-to-business software as a service companies with 100 employees." Hero images are pivotal for conversion, enhancing message clarity and visitor engagement. Display your product in action with demos or screenshots to provide context. Use authentic photos of real people to build trust. Guide attention with visual cues like gaze direction or arrows, ensuring focus on your call to action. Ensure your call to action button is the most visually dominant element above the fold. Use contrasting colors and ample white space to make it stand out. Position it strategically where the eye naturally lands, like the upper right or center. Keep forms minimal. Each field reduces conversion rates by 11%. Social proof leverages the psychological principle that people follow others' actions, especially in uncertainty. Robert Cialdini's research highlights its power in conversion optimization. On landing pages, social proof builds credibility and reassures visitors, boosting conversions by up to 34%. Notably, 92% of consumers read reviews before purchasing, underscoring its importance. Customer testimonials offer authentic validation with direct quotes and specific results. Company logos leverage brand equity for credibility, especially in business to business. Trust badges reduce anxiety about security. User statistics like "join 50,000 plus customers" provide social validation. Case studies show real-world success, while user-generated content offers relatable proof, enhancing trust and engagement. Crafting effective testimonials involves showcasing specific results like increased sales by 43%. Use full attribution with real names and photos to boost credibility by 73%. Address common objections by highlighting ease of use. Show transformation with a before-after bridge structure, detailing the problem, solution, and achieved results. Strategically place trust signals to align with user hesitation points. Display company logos or stats above the fold for instant credibility. Position testimonials or trust badges near call to actions to reduce friction. In feature sections, pair product benefits with testimonials. Conclude with security badges or satisfaction metrics in the footer for lasting assurance. Call to action buttons, though small, wield significant influence on conversion rates. Effective call to action copy can boost click-through rates by over 90% by triggering emotions and setting clear expectations. The choice between submit and get my free guide is crucial. The latter offers perceived benefits, reducing user anxiety and encouraging action by tipping the risk-reward balance. Submit is passive and bureaucratic, leading to the lowest conversion rates. Click here wastes space, offering no value. Learn more is vague, lacking clear expectations. Research shows replacing your with my in calls to action boosts clicks by 90%, as first-person language fosters personal ownership, enhancing engagement and conversion potential. Effective call-to-action copy starts with value-driven action verbs like get or start, promising tangible benefits. Reduce anxiety with phrases like no credit card required. Create urgency authentically with time-sensitive language. Be specific. See my dashboard instead of sign up. These strategies enhance clarity, build trust, and boost conversions. Generic CTAs like sign up or submit form lack persuasive power, merely describing actions. Optimized CTAs, however, use action verbs and personal language, offering specific benefits and reducing friction. Examples include start my free 30-day trial or show me how to save $5,000, setting clear expectations and enhancing click-through rates. Ensure your call to action button is 2 to 3 times larger than others and uses a contrasting color to stand out, even when squinting. Surround it with ample white space to reduce clutter and enhance clickability. On mobile, call to actions should be at least 44 pixels, positioned for easy thumb access. Differentiate primary and secondary call to actions using visual hierarchy. Successful landing pages share key elements. Shopify's Start Free Trial is specific and inviting. Slack uses Fortune 100 logos for credibility. HubSpot places trust badges near forms to boost confidence. MailChimp's imagery enhances, not distracts. Effective pages feature a compelling headline, hero image, prominent call to action, strategic social proof, and benefit-focused copy. Avoid overwhelming visitors with too many options. Focus on a single call to action to prevent decision paralysis. Ensure message consistency between ads and landing pages to maintain trust. Limit form fields to essential information, as each extra field reduces completion rates by 11%. Optimize for speed and mobile responsiveness to capture over 60% of web traffic. Unbounce is ideal for marketers seeking design freedom without coding, offering drag-and-drop building, A/B testing, and AI-driven smart builder. Instapage suits enterprise teams with features like heat maps and real-time collaboration. Leadpages caters to small businesses with affordable, simple tools for lead capture and email integration. Each tool serves distinct needs, from agencies to solopreneurs. Creating a landing page is just the beginning. Establish baseline metrics like conversion rate and bounce rate. Use analytics to hypothesize issues. Test one element at a time, such as headline or call to action copy, to identify impact. Ensure statistical significance with 1,000+ conversions. Implement winning variations and iterate continuously for ongoing optimization. Ensure your landing page is optimized with a clear, benefit-focused headline and a compelling hero image. Use a high-contrast call-to-action button with benefit-driven copy. Incorporate customer testimonials and trust badges to build credibility. Maintain a mobile responsive design, fast load times, and minimal form fields. Ensure analytics and conversion tracking are configured for continuous improvement. Prioritize clarity in your headlines. Communicate value instantly. Eliminate distractions by focusing on a single conversion goal. Strategically place social proof to reassure visitors at critical moments. Continuously optimize calls to action. Even minor tweaks can significantly boost conversions. Remember, landing page optimization is ongoing. Adapt to evolving audiences and competition for sustained success.